Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix non-working function keys in Windows 11. And now let's get started. Sometimes the function keys on your keyboard, typically labeled F1 through F12, do not work as expected in Windows 11. Often, this is related to the FN key, which is usually located in the bottom left corner of your keyboard. To visually identify it, you can search for a keyboard image online. Look for the key labeled FN. When the FN key is not working in combination with the F1 to F12 keys, there is a simple workaround using the on-screen keyboard. To access the on-screen keyboard, press and hold the Windows key, the Control key, and the letter O key simultaneously. This will bring up the Windows 11 on-screen keyboard. Once the on-screen keyboard is displayed, locate and press the FN key on it. You should observe that the FN key on the on-screen keyboard changes its color, indicating it is now active. With the FN key activated, you can then use the other function keys, F1 to F12, as intended. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.